Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share the notes for judiciary in India, which are specifically focusing on the Supreme Court of India. So in these notes we are going to start with what is judiciary. The important points that these notes are covering are: the first one is what is judiciary, where I am going to tell you about the definition of judiciary, what is the purpose of judiciary. We are going to talk about the common law system, what is it, how it is important, and then we are going to talk about the salient features of Indian judiciary, which covers about the India as a common law jurisdiction, adversarial model of dispute resolution. We are going to talk about judicial review in these notes. Then we are going to talk about constitution of Supreme Court, which was Supreme Court was made on 28th of January 1950. We are going to talk about why it is important, about different features of Supreme Court, what are the requirements for becoming a judge in Supreme Court. We are going to cover all these topics in these notes. Then we are going to talk about nature of Indian legal system. We are going to talk about does it apply in India, how does it apply in India. We are going to talk briefly about the adversarial system of law. We are going to talk about due process of law, procedure established by law. Then we are going to talk about structure, hierarchy and legal offices in India, where specifically in these notes I am going to talk about the Supreme Court. In the next video I am going to share the notes for High Court as well. For now I am going to share only about Supreme Court. We are going to talk about the Attorney General of India, Supreme Court advocates, role of Supreme Court in our society, and then we are going to talk about public interest litigation. What is it? Why it is important? What all are the features of public interest litigation? So these are the notes. I am going to share the link for downloading these notes from PDF as PDF file. I am going to share this link on the description of the video. I hope you find these notes useful. Thank you very much.